Want to know why 90% of people are getting garbage results from AI? They're missing one critical step that companies like Microsoft and Google have already figured out. Today, I'm going to show you the exact method that's transforming how we talk to AI in 2025. Look, I see this every single day. People jump into ChatGPT or any AI tool, type something like, "Analyze my website" or "Give me marketing ideas," and then get frustrated with useless responses. I get it. I was doing the exact same thing until I discovered what actually works. Here's what changed everything. Microsoft recently revealed something crazy. Teams using the right prompting method were 3 times more productive with AI than others. Just think about that. In the same tools, same AI, but completely different results. The secret? It's all in how you communicate with AI. Let me break down the exact method that's working really well for me. It's called the CRISPE Method, and not just me, but companies like Google and Amazon are also using it to get incredible results. This is what CRISPE stands for. C, context. This is where you set the stage. Tell AI exactly what business or situation you're in, what you're trying to achieve, any relevant background information, and who your audience is. R, it stands for role. Tell AI exactly who you want it to be. But here's the key, be specific. Don't just say, be a writer. Instead, say something like, act as a senior data analyst with 15 years of experience in the healthcare industry, or act as a marketing director who specializes in luxury brands. Next, I. That stands for instruction. This is your what and why. Break down the exact task you need completed, why you need it done, any specific requirements, and the end goal you're trying to achieve. Next up, S. That stands for specification. This is your how. Be crystal clear about the format you want, bullet points, paragraphs, spreadsheet, your length requirements, tone of voice, whether it's professional, casual, technical, or any specific elements that must be included. Next, P. That stands for performance. Set your quality standards. Tell it, what does success look like? If you have any specific metrics you want it to hit, what should be avoided, and if there's any industry standards to follow. Next, and the last, is E. That stands for example. Show what good looks like. Share a sample of exactly what you're looking for, some previous successful work, a competitor's examples you like, or any specific elements you want to replicate. Let me show you exactly how powerful this is. And here's an example of how to use the CRISPE method. I just did this for fun. Context. I run an online education platform with 100,000 monthly visitors. We've noticed a 20% drop in sales despite stable traffic. Role, act as a senior data analyst who specializes in e-commerce analytics and user behavior. Instruction, analyze our website metrics and identify potential causes for the sales drop. Create an action plan to improve conversion rates. Specification, provide your analysis in 3 parts. 1, key findings and bullet points. Number 2, a detailed analysis in clear paragraphs. And number 3, give me actionable recommendations in priority order. Include both technical and non-technical explanations. Next is performance. Focus on practical solutions we can implement within 30 days. Each recommendation should include expected impact and resource requirements. Example, similar to this report from McKinsey, but with more focus on immediate actions. Please ask any questions you need about our specific metrics, current setup, or historical data to make your analysis more accurate. Here's why this works so well. AI isn't thinking like we do. It's looking for patterns. When you give it this clear structure, you're basically giving it a perfect map to follow. Instead of hoping it figures out what you want, you're showing it exactly what you need, and the results speak for themselves. Google found that users following this type of structured prompting get 40% better results in Gmail. Amazon's entire customer service AI system runs on similar principles. This isn't theory, it's what's actually working right now. Here's what I want you to do. Take any task you're struggling with, maybe it's content creation, data analysis, or strategy planning. Use this method. And here's the game changer. Let the AI ask you questions. The more clarity it has, the better your results will be. Listen, with OpenAI's O3 and other advanced AI models coming out, this skill is becoming more valuable every day. The people and companies who master this now are going to be miles ahead of everyone else. If you found this valuable, hit that subscribe button because we're just getting started with AI content that actually helps you succeed. This is another reminder that when life pushes you, stand straight, smile, and push it the heck back. I'll see you in the next one.